Yeah, man. Some soup vibes, you know? Cheer up your life. Yeah, morning life. Whoa, look at that. Yeah. Tell a friend for tell a friend. There's a feast on some soup, you know? Yeah, I know, sir. Last night I cook it. Rich. That is it. Look at that. Yeah, that's all the vibes, you know? In the morning, yeah. Just do something I get over this. So I eat some soup, that's all. Is it? Yeah, my people. Tell a friend for tell a friend. Yeah, look at that. They have some soup, you know? Right now, I have fork and spoon. Keep the fork here, so. Yeah, man. Yeah, I drink some soup, my people. Look at that. Hot. Use a dish towel. Yes, my people. Can't never see the device properly. Yeah, man. Soup vibes. Check out the live. Yeah, man, look at that, my people. Rich. Yeah, man. Long time no come on the live, my people. Tell a friend for tell a friend. Yeah. Yeah, have some soup. Yes, some people, look at that. Go on, sir. One pot of soup. Yeah, man. Yummy delicious. Yeah. Yeah, my people. One pot of soup, my people. Yeah, and the day ain't even start yet. No joke. Got that. Rich on people. Yeah. You know, tell us coconut milk in it. Got that. Yes, my people. And plus, you got some ripe banana here after me done. I feast on some banana. Yes, my people. Yeah. Rich. Like up alive, you know. Tell a friend for tell a friend. Share up alive. Big up all of my subscribers, them, you know. Yeah. Love all of my subscribers. If you don't subscribe, subscribe now. Yeah, man. Rich. Got that. Yummy delicious and people. Got that. 1 million people in the house. Like up the video, comment and share. Tell a friend for tell a friend. Man, we got some banana right there, so. You know, yard vibes. Sure. Mm. Yeah, man. So deal with it, some people. Yo. Yeah, man, look at that. One pot of soup. Yeah. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Like up a video. Share. Subscribe to the channel and check out all the video them. Yeah. Mm. Reach me people. Got some caramel dumpling, some coconut dumpling, my people. You ever eat coconut dumpling before? Yeah, coconut dumpling, my people. Look at them. Mm. See pot then. Check out the pot. One pot of something, people. Check it out. No joke. Yeah. Mm. Thumbs up the video. Like up the video. Lots of coconut dumpling, my people. Got that. Check out pop pop. Check out the pop. Pop asleep. Yeah, people. Zinc fence setting. Yard style, zinc fence. You got some yam here, my people. Some yellow yam. Look at that. Call that yellow yam, my people. Great yellow yam. Got some coconut dumpling, my people. Some coconut dumpling. Got some carrot, scotch bonnet pepper, okra, tomato, coconut milk, everything. You know, yummy delicious. Check out the okra, my people. Look on the okra. Okra that young people. Some chicken box soup, young people. People, I have to refill my people. Refill. Refill my people. Got that. Yeah, refill. Yes. Yard vibes. Yes. Big up all the Jamaican blogger them. Vloggers. Big up all vloggers around the world. Subscribe to the channel. Look at that. One pot of soup. Yeah, check it out. Yeah. So yummy delicious. Thumbs up the video. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Check out all the video them on the channel. And subscribe to the channel also. Yeah. Look at that. Some coconut dumpling people. Yam people. Got some yam here. Some Jamaican yellow yam. Yeah, natural, fresh from the market. People have to jump. Yeah, some coconut dumpling. Got that. Some okra. People so yummy delicious. Make sure you guys check out all the videos them on the channel. Okay, go and check out the videos on the channel. Comment, leave a comment where you're watching from. Okay. Rich. Yeah. Look at that. Check out the okra right here. Look at that. See? That's okra. Look at that. Because that is okra. People is hot. Super hot, my people. Check it out. One pot of soup. Okay. One pot of soup. People, me I sweat. So sweat, people. Look at that. Almost finished. Yeah. Jamaican yellow yam, my people. Look at that. Rich, fresh from the market. Got some carrot here. Look at that. Remember, tell a friend for tell a friend. Okay? Young people. Refill. Refill, guys. Yeah. Refill, refill, refill. Refill, guys. Got that. People, man, I'm famous known tree. Look at that. Famous. Famous known tree, me people. Yeah, man. Zing fence thing. Check it out. Yeah, famous known tree, me people. Look at that. Great known tree, Rihanna, me people. Look at that. Jug. So yummy delicious. Yeah. Look at this. Look at that. Yellow yam, my people. People. So yummy delicious. Check out that. There's some coconut dumpling. People, I'm belly full. I'm so full. I'm so full, guys. One pot of soup, guys. One pot. Check out dog. people. I'm sweating. I'm gonna get some cloth to wipe the sweat. Yeah, guys. So yummy delicious. Look at that. Check it out. Check it out, guys. Whoa. Look at that. We got the carrot here. Thumbs up. Guys, remember to check out the video then. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Also subscribe to the channel. Yeah, my people. Refill again. Look at that. You guys. Refill. Yeah. So rich. Yeah, guys. One pot of soup. Yeah. And I famous no one treat me people. No joke. Look at that. So yummy delicious. Look at that, guys. Yeah, we got some. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Oh, that's chicken back. Soup so rich, guys. Yeah. Enjoy a bone. Yeah, Ben, big up yourself, Ben. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, Ben. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Okay, Ben? Yeah. One pot of soup. Got that. Yeah, thumbs up the video, guys. Thumbs up, thumbs up. So yummy delicious. So yummy delicious. Ben, where you from, Ben? Where you from? Subigay. Ben, Subigay. Where you from, Ben? Where you from, bro? Which country you watching from, bro? Yeah, I'm in Jamaica. I'm in Jamaica. Yard vibes. Got that. So rich. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Got that. Yeah. Yeah. Make sure you like the video and subscribe. Tell a friend if you tell a friend, okay guys? And share up the video, share up the like, share up the like. Share up the like. Look at that. Yeah, where you watching from? Where you watching from, guys? Where you watching from, guys? Yeah. Got some banana here, guys. Yeah, got some ripe banana. Share up the live, guys. Share up the live. And check out the video in the channel. One pot of soup, guys. Put them. Check it out. Yeah, so yummy delicious. Yeah. Yeah. Subscribe to the channel. Share up the live, guys. Okay, share up the live. Share up the live. Share up the live, guys. Look at that. Yummy delicious. Guys, the soup is so nice. So delicious. so full. Mm-hmm. Got 2 yam left. Jamaican yellow yam. This yam make the man the fastest man in the world. This is the yam that the fastest man in the world eat. Check it out. Fastest man in the world, this is the yam that he eat. Yeah. This is the yam that the fastest man in the world eat. Yeah. Jamaican yellow yam. Leave a comment where you're watching from, guys. Leave a comment where you're watching from. Okay? This is the yam that the fastest man in the world eat, guys. Yeah. Look at that. Mm. Yeah. Finish. Yeah. This is for later, guys. Later. This is for supper. Yeah. I'm gonna get some drinks, you know. Yeah, guys. Leave a comment where you're watching from, okay? Where you're watching from. Look at that. Finish. Finish, guys. Cut that. Yeah. Subscribe to the channel. Yeah, guys. Yeah, guys. Yeah, guys. Leave a comment. Leave a comment. Let me see who and who in the live. Share up the live. Leave a comment. Guys, leave a comment. Got some. Oh. Got some. Oh. Yeah. Look at the plate. Plate is empty, guys. Yeah. Got some. Gonna get the twink up. Twink up. Twink up. Yeah. Plate is empty. Alright, gotta get one of these. Look at that. Yeah. But yeah, got that. Gotta get my twink up. Twink up now, guys. Twink up, twink up, twink up. You guys check out the channel and make sure you guys subscribe and leave a comment on your subscribe, okay? Ben, subscribe to the channel. We got 2 million people in the house. 3 million people in the house. Share up the life, share up the life. Share up the life. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Okay? So I'm full, guys. I'm so full. I'm so full up. Some juice, you know. I just need some juice now. Some natural juice. Okay? So, guys, I'm gonna end the live now. Tell a friend to. I'm gonna get my twine cup first. I'm gonna end the live and get my twine cup. So, you guys should check back at midday. Yeah, you guys should check back at midday. Okay? I'm gonna make some natural juice. Yeah, I'm gonna make some natural juice, guys. I'm gonna cook some food on open flame. So you guys should stay tuned for that. Subscribe, click the notification bell, share up the live. Also, tell a friend to subscribe. Okay, guys. Peace out. Peace out. Peace. Okay, guys. Remember, subscribe, leave a note, leave a comment. Comment where you're watching from. Peace. I'm out. I'm out. Peace.